Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have osmium trichloride. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Osmium valency is 5, chlorine atom is 3. So if you substitute in the formula, you have 8 by 2 gives 4, and the lone pair calculation will be H minus B, which gives 1. So H4 means sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. 4 mean tetrahedral geometry with one lone pair mean become trigonal pyramidal. So the geometry is tetrahedral, shape is trigonal pyramidal because lone pair is not visible. So shape of osmium trichloride is trigonal pyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.